You call Granddad?
Yeah, I called Granddad, cuz, but his phone going straight to voicemail.
I need my truck, man. Granddad been gone all day. I need my truck. I don't know what Granddad got going on, but he been gone by 12 hours. I need my truck.
Dominique, there go Granddad right here. He pulling up. Granddad, where you been? We been worried about you, Granddad.
No, y'all sitting up worried about me now. I been down the casino now. I got one life to live. Now, y'all worried about Granddad. Now, y'all at the door waiting on Granddad now. Don't go no do Granddad like that now. I don't worry about y'all when y'all gone now. And y'all won't worry about Granddad. Y'all just wrong. You just want to be in Granddad business? I went down to the casino. I paid me a little money. Had a good time. Now, I had him a good time. Now, I enjoyed myself. Now, y'all right here worried about Granddad. I mean, y'all do everything. Y'all come around here and take over. How you in the kids and Dominique? The nephew, he bad too. He won't come here and use my words. I use the truck. And y'all looking at me like I did something wrong. Don't do it like that. Now, you're wrong. Now, you're wrong.
Grandma said you gotta go back where you come from.
Now, y'all come here and won't tell Granddad what to do. You want to tell Granddad where to go back where he come from now. Now, y'all do Granddad like now. Granddad got one life to live. Now, Granddad said when I had a little fun. Now, Granddad ain't did nothing wrong. Now, y'all want to put him out the own house. And y'all want to tell him where I got to go back where I come from. And I ain't did nothing to nobody. Now, y'all do Granddad wrong. Now, you wrong. Don't do Granddad like that. You wrong now.
Granddad Dominique was mad about you taking off in his truck like that.
I'm mad about my water. Now, he worried about truck. I worried about my water. I ain't said that about my water now. Now, he wasn't mad about his truck. I drove his truck, he used my water. I ain't saying nothing now. Y'all around here, y'all just trying to team up on Granddad. Now, Granddad didn't know nobody now. Y'all around here trying to be mean and rude to Granddad. What y'all did? What I want Granddad for? Don't do Granddad like that. You wrong now. You wrong.
Thank God he bought my truck back. I'm ready to go home. Thank God.
Well, good to see you, cuz. Don't take too long to come back.
I won't, cuz. I won't, cuz. I enjoyed it. Thank God I got my truck back. I'm going home now. Man, Granddad ran all my gas out.